Okay, this is the second day at Ooty. We just checked out of Zostel, and right now we're heading out to a reservoir near Ooty. And there's been a very slight change of plans. We've actually extended our ride. We're heading towards Wayanad now. So right after Glenmorgan, we'll be heading out to Wayanad. So we stayed at Zostel. To be honest, it was an okay hostel. It's not that great. Wouldn't suggest this. And right now the place that we'll be going to in Wayanad is again a hostel. It's a hostel plus. So I'm just hoping it's much better than this. Looking forward for a very safe journey. அலோட் இல்லையா? அப்படிங்களா? ஓ தெரியலங்க. சரி ஓகே ஓகே. 2500 seems jeep ke ಬಿಡು ವಾ. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, இங்கே எங்கேயாவது பெட்ரோல் பங்க் கிடைக்குமா? இல்லை கஷ்டமா? கம்மியாக இருக்கு. 3 பாயிண்ட் காட்டுது. இங்கேருந்து வயநாடு வேற போகணும். வயநாடுக்கு போகணும். குட்லூரில் கிடைக்குமா? சரிங்க, டன்னு ப்ரோ. ஆ சரி சார், தேங்க்யூ. இதெல்லாம் ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ. Okay, so Glenmorgan Dam, as you heard, is closed for bikes and tourists unless you want to take a jeep from there and pay 2,500 rupees. Ooty, yeah, can't say anything. Should have done our research. But anyways, right now we're heading to Pykara Falls, which is another 5 kilometers from here. And this guy should have just let me overtake him. But of course, K53. What can I expect out of my own people? Quite risky to overtake here actually. Reason being, these roads are long and windy, so people who don't know the roads, they're just gonna send it. And they're gonna cross this median over here, which I'm crossing right now, but out of control. And they're gonna go into the next lane, and there's gonna be some other guy or person driving the car, and boom. That is exactly what happens all the time. Which dam is this? ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾ? ನೀನು ಹೇಳು. ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಬಾ. Right now we're heading towards Wayanad because Glenmorgan was closed for bikes and for private vehicles, and Pykara Falls was very crowded and we couldn't leave our bikes right there because of monkeys and our bags as well. And we're also quite low on fuel. We won't be able to make it to Wayanad, so we're going through Gudlur, and yeah, I don't know how do you go to Wayanad from there. We'll figure it out. Let's see if we can find a spot to go in. Yeah, there it is. Perfect. ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಮಚ್ಚ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಹಿಂದೆದ ವ್ಯೂ ನೋಡ್ಕೊ ಮಾಮ್. Very nice ride, bro. ಏನ್ coordination? We were just tailing random people that we met on the way. We had said hi to one of the Dominar riders in the morning twice, and yeah, we stumbled upon them while going to Wayanad. They've stopped for fuel. I think they would also be stopping here, hopefully, to have a chat. Let's see. Such a beautiful location this was. Yeah, right now it's showing around 54 minutes to our stay hostel in Wayanad, and the guys just passed us like 2 or 3 minutes back. Time is 2:14. Doesn't seem like 2:14. Cherambadi. Whoa, dude, this place is just something else. Yeah, so we saw them stopping at this tea shop over here, so we decided to just have a quick chat. Even they're headed to Wayanad, but they're coming back from Ooty. They're going back home. Finally, I'm in my friend's home state. My friends exactly know who I'm talking about. Feels so nice to be back here again. Back in Jan, I was here for a Teyyam. Actually, not in Jan. In March, I was here watching a Teyyam in Kozhikode, which is quite close to Wayanad actually. It was a life-changing experience actually, so it feels very nice to be back to Kerala. I love Kerala. Ooh, what a beautiful stay. So I think I'll be ending this vlog right here. My god. I'll be ending this vlog right here. So yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Bro wants a picture. We're almost in Kerala, like 2 feet ashte. And then I'll switch to Malayalam. ഞാൻ മോട്ടോർ ക്രിറ്റിക്കാ. എൻ്റെ പേര് മോട്ടോർ ക്രിറ്റിക്കാ. ഞങ്ങൾ ഇപ്പോൾ കേരളത്തിലാണ്. കുറച്ച് മലയാളം അറിയാം എനിക്ക്. എൻ്റെ ഫോൺ നോക്കുന്നോ? ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്, കിട്ടി. മതിയായിട്ടോ? മതി. അപ്പോൾ ശരി, പോവാം. കുഴപ്പമില്ല. നോക്കിക്കോണ. No offense to any Malayalis, please. The home state of my dear friends Mika and Ruth. Bro, Hostel Ooty. What the pothole?